Well, hey, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. It's Valentine's season, so it's time to make something special. I'm making a vintage recipe from the 1950s. It actually comes from this Baking Yesteryear book. I'm making a Valentine's Cream Pie. I've started by cooking a frozen crust that I let cool down. Grab a pan. We need a cup of sugar, a quarter cup of cornstarch. You need a jar of maraschino cherries. So we're gonna start with a half cup of that juice from the jar. Put that in. 2 cups of milk. And 2 eggs, well beaten. So I need to heat this up and whisk it constantly. I'll be bringing this to a boil while whisking for 3 minutes. It has definitely thickened. Remove it from heat, and then you're going to add a half a cup of chopped maraschino cherries. Mix those in, and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour that into the pie crust. This will need to refrigerate and chill for an hour. Time to make a special whipped cream topping for this pie. I need a cup of heavy whipping cream, a half cup of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of cream of tartar, and a quarter teaspoon of almond extract. And I'm gonna mix it till I get nice, stiff peaks. Spread that all over that pie. And I'm gonna decorate it with more maraschino cherries. Maraschino cherries are such a 50s thing. Valentine's Cream Pie. Yes, looks fun. It's very custardy. I don't know if you've had a Bakewell tart before, but it totally tastes like a Bakewell tart. I love cherry flavor, very strong, sweet maraschino flavor. If I gave this a score out of 10, I'd give it a 7.4. What's Cupid's favorite rock band? Kiss.